In this video, we're going to cover 3 things that's going to help your vertical videos perform better on any platform. We're talking about Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Let's get into the first one, and that is resisting the urge to introduce yourself. This is an important one because whenever we're creating vertical video content or just video content in general, it's important that we have high retention rates. This means that whoever's watching our video watches as much of the video as possible. Ideally, we want to have someone watch 100% of the video. That's not always going to happen. But if we can resist the urge to introduce ourselves, what's going to happen is that we're going to see less of a drop off at the beginning of the video. If we introduce ourselves at the beginning of videos, typically what happens is that people scroll past it and go on to the next video. And that's not what we want. Because if we can have high retention rates, the platform, it doesn't matter what platform it is, they're going to push our content out to even more people. Keeping in line with retention, the second thing that will help your videos perform better is going to be cutting out the fluff. This means whenever we're done recording our video, it's important for us to put that video into some editing software and cut out all of those long drawn out pauses. Because every pause is an opportunity for someone to swipe and go on to the next video, and that's not what we want. And finally, use trending sounds. Across the board on Instagram Reels, on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, using a trending sound is going to help us get more exposure on that video. And that's exactly what we want. However, when we are using a trending sound, it's important whenever we're editing the video to lower that trending sound so that way it doesn't drown out our audio on the video. If this helped you out, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.